Hey, what's up? It's Ike Paz, and today I'm going to show you how to create and sell on Amazon KDP Maze book for kids. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to create one. I'm going to show you a free way and a paid way. I'm going to give you tutorials on how to do the very same thing I'm doing on this video so that you can actually create a product that you can sell passively on the Amazon KDP network. Make sure you watch this video until the very end. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get more videos like this, guides, tutorials, and reviews. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Okay, so let's get started here. Let me show you how I would go about looking for a niche within the Amazon KDP market and going after it by creating a book that people actually want to buy. Okay, so I know Maze Books for Kids is a very popular market and a lot of competition, which is a good thing. You don't want to run away from competition. That means people are buying and selling, right? And we know that it has over 50,000, we can see right here, over 50,000 results, Maze Books for Kids. Now we're gonna be targeting, we're gonna try to reduce this result count as much as possible, but at the end of the day, I'm gonna be focusing on creating a product that I'm gonna ultimately advertise on the Amazon advertising KDP network. Okay, really important. Okay, definitely if you want to do organic free traffic, then I would stick to a result count of under 1,000. Okay. So we know that Maze Books for Kids is a popular product. I looked up this keyword phrase under books, under the books category. I'm gonna go to this niche interest level little tool here. I put this in, and of course, it has a score of 100. That means it's relatively popular. Okay. What I want to do is I want to whittle it down to something more manageable in terms of result count. Okay. Let's go with Maze Books for Kids ages 8 to 10. And this has a score of 38. It's near 40. It's not bad at all. Okay. If I take this and pop it into good old Amazon here, I get 10,000. Much more manageable. Again, I'm not looking. If I get free organic traffic and sales, that's awesome. But I'm looking to advertise a book. So Amazon advertising platform is very, very cheap compared to Google, which I also do, not for books but for different things. Anyways, I'm gonna go after Maze Books for kids ages 8 to 10. Of course, I'm not gonna make this plural. I'm just gonna go after Maze Book. Really important to understand. Okay, take that. Okay. Now, I'm going to show you how to create a maze using this tool, but if you want to do a free way, there is a free way. I made a video on how to create mazes for free, okay? I'll have this video down below in the description area so you can create a free version of it, okay? But I'm going to use this tool here. Again, I highly recommend it. I'll have information about this tool as well if you're interested. Okay, so I'm going to go to this quick book creator. I'm going to keep it at simple because we're dealing with kids. And I want a differentiator. I want something that makes my maze book pop out, okay? I don't want everyone, okay? I'm not looking to entice or attract everyone to my book. I'm looking to entice and attract a demographic of kids. So maybe kids who are interested in whales, right? So let's put in whale, okay, maze book. Whale of a maze book. Whale of a maze book. Whale of a maze book. I'm going to use this as my header. And with this tool, I can create rectangular, triangular, hexagonal, octagonal, and circular mazes. I'm going to go with, let me see, 20 of each. Maybe that works. Is that too much? I don't know. 20 of each. Actually, no, that's perfect. 20 is great. I want a nice big fat book so that I can charge more and get more royalties with. Okay. So I'm going to click create book. Okay. Now, as you can see, after I hit 20, it's going to change to triangular and so forth. And again, these are simple little puzzles. And the cool thing is, if I go to the very bottom here, the solutions are there waiting so that my end user can, check back and see if he or she is right with their puzzle. Okay, so again, this is pretty bland, and you could go off and sell this as is, but I highly recommend you customize to your niche. Okay, if you're targeting kids, you want to add cutesy kind of graphics and stuff so that it appeals to them, and you want to be niche specific. Because I've chosen whale, I'm going to stick to that theme. Okay, now I have here a whale image. Now when it comes to Amazon KDP, you want to use black and white because you don't want to exceed the cost to publish your book, because then you have a very small or very minimal royalty. Okay, you want as much royalty as possible. That's the amount you get paid for each book that's sold on behalf of Amazon, right? Amazon has to publish and deliver these books. There's a ton of cost behind them, so that you want to make sure that your royalty is as high as possible. So keep your images black and white. Right now it's color because I don't have this whale in a black and white state as of right now, but I can easily change that. So I'm gonna put my whale over here. You can put your whale anywhere you want. I'm gonna do the same thing for this one, for this image, like that, and so forth. Okay. Now I'm not gonna bore you and sit here and do every single page, but you get the idea, right? You want to niche down and customize for your book, okay, so that you can pop out from the crowd, right? When people are looking for kid maze books, okay? Really important to remember. Once you're done, you click download and download as PDF. Again, this is called the Instant Maze Generator. I have information down about it below, and if you want a free version, check out the video down below as well to do this. Okay, next thing you want to do is create your cover. Okay, again, I'll have a video on how to create covers for free down below. Okay, make sure you check it out if you're interested. It comes with some templates, and this is a very straightforward process. I do this all the time. Okay, you want your book title to be on the front cover. Really important things to remember. You want the exact title that you're going to use within Amazon to be in the front here. So here I have Whale of a Maze Book for Kids ages 4 to 10. Is that the niche I'm going to settle on? What's the niche I've settled on? Let me see. 8 to 10, excuse me. 8 to 10. So I'm going to get down here. I use Canva. I just use the free version. So far, I don't have a reason to use a paid version. Really important, whatever graphics you have here, make sure you have the license rights. There's a ton of public domain stuff you can use, open source stuff you can use, or you can get stuff done on Fiverr for very cheap. Okay, really important to remember. And make sure to use the front and back of the book. If I go to file size here, you'll notice that my file size is 17.84 inch by 11.25 inch. That includes the front and back. Okay, so I'm gonna make this 8 to 10. As you can see, I have an image of the square maze type, the circular maze type. Actually, I should get an image of a much easier one. This looks kind of difficult, and so does this. Again, this is an offhand example to show you how it's done. But of course, you want the outside, the book cover, to reflect what's inside of your actual interior. So this looks a little bit too complicated. So I'd make it simple, a simple type of maze. Okay. Also, don't forget to use to describe and appeal to your customers' emotions when writing a description in the back cover. So here we have, our Whale Maze Book for Kids is a fun-filled exploration into the world of cute and fun mazes that your child will enjoy. With over 50 unique, easy mazes, it's sure to entertain and engage your child for hours on end. Okay, we're not done. Again, you want to add some, you want to spruce this up. I'm going to put this, actually this well is kind of boring. I'm going to use this well here, put in the center there, okay? And we need a background. It's just white, which is not good. We're going to add this, actually I got this Japanese style background off of Pixabay, a free resource, okay? We're going to put in the back here. and position it to the back, but of course it still kind of sticks out in an unattractive way. So I'm gonna bring down the transparency to 20. Okay, that's much better. Truth be told, I'd spend more time with it. If I find it to be difficult, I might outsource it. But most of the time, I use this template you see right in front of you. I use this template. Again, I have a video on how to do this down below. Make sure you check that out if you're interested. And book covers, I can't stress how important book covers are. They lead to clicks, which clicks, of course, if you're writing a description right, leads to sales. And if you make sales for Amazon, Amazon's going to reward your listing, give you higher rankings, and create a snowball effect where both you and Amazon stand to win, right? You both are profiting, right? Amazon gets a piece of your book, and of course you get the royalty, which is all cool stuff. Now, I hope you enjoyed this little impromptu video. Just again, I want you to remember and take note that if you're using images within your interior, you don't want color, you want black and white, okay? Unless you are making a color kids book. I don't have experience doing that, so I don't recommend it because I want to tell you things that I do to profit online. I don't want to give you theory, okay? So I highly recommend you make sure it's black and white. This is a template that works for me, okay? This type of template right here. And I usually play around with it depending on the niche, depending on the type of book I'm providing my end user. So I'm giving you the same advice here, okay? Again, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I come out with videos like this at least once a week. And I'm here to help you out. So make sure you check out the comment section, ask your question, and I'll be sure to answer it, okay? Take care, be well, bye-bye.